2025 Tesla Model Y3 Hybrid in solid black is not just a car, it's a statement of the future. With its sleek, aerodynamic lines and bold black finish, this machine turns every head on the road. The moment it rolls into view, there's an undeniable sense of luxury, power, and cutting-edge innovation. Tesla has once again raised the bar by blending style, sustainability, and speed into one beautiful package. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a minimalist yet futuristic cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a traditional SUV. The massive touchscreen control panel dominates the dashboard, while the soft vegan leather seats offer next-level comfort. The panoramic glass roof gives a wide-open, airy feeling, especially during sunset drives. Tesla's smart climate control and advanced sound system make every journey feel premium, whether you're stuck in traffic or cruising down the highway. Now let's talk performance. The Y3 Hybrid combines electric efficiency with the raw power of a hybrid engine, offering a seamless transition between modes. In city traffic, it runs quietly and efficiently in full electric mode. But hit the open road, and the hybrid engine kicks in with a punch that pushes the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. It's silent power that surprises you every time you hit the pedal. The dual-motor all-wheel drive ensures strong grip and confidence on all surfaces, from rainy roads to sharp curves. Tesla's Autopilot system on the 2025 Y3 Hybrid has also received a major upgrade, offering smoother lane changes, better traffic recognition, and enhanced emergency response features. Safety has been taken to the next level with AI-powered collision avoidance, blind spot detection, and adaptive cruise control that adjusts not just to cars but also to bikes and pedestrians. Another big highlight is Tesla's app integration. You can precondition the car, check battery levels, locate nearby chargers, or even summon the car with your phone. Early leaks about the 2026 update hint at a fully autonomous version of this model, powered by enhanced AI and vehicle-to-vehicle communication. To sum it up, the Tesla Model Y3 Hybrid Solid Black 2025 is built for those who want everything: futuristic design, unmatched performance, intelligent tech, and eco-conscious driving. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the next generation of mobility.